Hey friends, welcome back to another new tutorial video of my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna teach you all our country's national anthem Jana Gana Mana how to easily play on your keyboard or piano. If you all were waiting for this for a long time, then here's the video. I request you all to please watch the full video. So guys, quickly let's start the video. Now let's start with the first line of our national anthem, which is Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He. Notes: Jana, C sharp, D sharp, Gana, F, Mana, F, Adhi, F, Nayaka, F, Jaya He, D sharp, F sharp. Bharat Bhagya Vidhata. Notes: Bharat, F, Bhagyavi, D sharp, Data, C, D sharp, C sharp. Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha. Notes: Punjab, C sharp, G sharp, Sindh, G sharp, Gujarat, G sharp, G sharp, Maratha, G, A sharp, G sharp. Dravid, Utkala, Vanga. Notes: Dravid, F sharp, Utkala, F sharp, Vanga, D sharp, F sharp, F. Vindhya, Himachal, Yamuna, Ganga. Vindhya, F, Himachal, 4 times F. Yamuna, G sharp, Ganga, F sharp, Uchchal Jaladhi Taranga. Notes: Uchchal छल यफ 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 जलधित डिशाक 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 रंगा सी डिशाक सीशाक तव शुभ नामे जागे नोट्स तव शुभ सीशाक डिशाक यफ यफ नामे यफ यफ जागे डिशाक यफ यफशाक तव शुभ आशीष मागे नोट्स तव शुभ यफ यफशाक जीशाक जीशाक आशीष जीशाक जीशाक यफ मागे डिशाक यफशाक यफ गाहे तव जय गाता गाहे यफ यफ तव जय डिशाक 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 तव जय 4 times डिशाक गाता सी डिशाक सीशाक जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे नोट्स जन गण मंगल जन गण मंगल 7 times जीशाक दायक जय हे दायक जीशाक 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 जय हे यफशाक एशाक जीशाक भारत भाग्य विधाता यफ 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 डिशाक 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 सी डिशाक सीशाक जय हे नोट्स हायर ऑक्टेव C sharp higher octave C higher octave C sharp जय हे higher octave C A sharp higher octave C जय हे A sharp G sharp A sharp जय 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 हे C sharp, C sharp, D sharp, D sharp, F, F, Jaya He, D sharp, F, F sharp. This is the end of our national anthem. Now, let's all play together our national anthem on the keyboard, and as usual, the notes will be coming on the top of your screen. Let's begin. Jai Hind. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for watching the entire video. I hope you learned the national anthem Jana Gana Mana how to easily play on the keyboard. So if you liked the video, then like this video. Share this video to all your friends so that they can also learn the national anthem of our country to play on the keyboard. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button. It will be just below this video. So click on that subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon present beside it to get the further notifications from my channel. Meet you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye.